All right, here we are in Dalton, Georgia. I'm Ronnie Wong with ITProTV, and we're about to go to QCELLS to actually meet some of those IT professionals. Let's go ahead and get the interviews on the way.
We actually just opened back in January. The first people kind of stepped foot in here that didn't have hard hats or work boots. So we've just recently opened up. We actually manufacture solar panels, and we are the largest solar panel manufacturer in the United States.
Working for a startup is a little scary at times because you don't really know what's going to change or what's going to be here tomorrow. You're always going to have hiccups. You're always going to have lots of turnover. You're always going to have lots of policy changes. But if you can have a solid leader, then it can be fine.
You are really busy all the time. You end up putting a lot of hours in, but it pays off in the end because you do get to see the development and kind of the success of the company at the end, which it kind of gives people a boost and lets them know that we're on the right track.
QCELLS being in Dalton is pretty much a good flower bed for growth because of what it does. The people are nice, and we're able to pretty much lean on each other as a team, as a group, in growing what we hope to be a very prosperous future.
All right, so there we are in Dalton, Georgia, and we just visited with QCELLS in solar power, and we found out a couple of things about IT professionals. One, they do like working with startup companies as well, and two, well, IT doesn't always just happen in big cities, but also in small cities as well. And that means, well, we are ready for our next stop. So we'll see you there.